Carla, what did we think this was?
A soft cake chocolate brownie.
Yeah, so I bit into it and it's just powder and it's for alcohol.
It's called a mocha surprise. So it's black alcohol.
It was a surprise.
And then you bite it and the alcohol melts everything and then it creates like a surprise.
But we honestly thought it was a cake and he gave it to us to try and that's what it was.
Everybody pay for 2 million.
Claire, I don't want to pay you 2 million. I don't want to pay you 2 million, Claire.
2 million.
I ain't got 2 million. Oh, I'll give you this one. I ain't giving you that other one.
Yes.
So you get a full set.
Hey, bye. I'm done.
No, guess. Only guess there is no areas.
No theatre, no bathroom.
No theatres, no bathrooms.
Say it again, where's the first part?
So it's from Tiffany's, from here, as far forward as you want. 3 and 4 only.
Are we just doing 3 and 4?
Just 3 and 4.
I'm just...
Because after those first, like...
Are you hiding?
Yes, I am hiding. My turn.
Ready?
Everyone get it, close your eyes.
I'm going to set 1 minute timer. Ready, go Megan.
I joined.
Don't come in. It's not enough room for us all. My legs don't bend this way. My legs shouldn't be bending this way.
I'll probably check on it and just throw it in my room. I'm a boy, so.
It's so fucking weird.
Here you are.
That was ridiculous.
Here was the first one. I thought so. As soon as I went over that way, I went... Chris went up starboard side and he didn't come in.
Making the look we gave each other.
Does this count as hiding if I sit here? Oh, I can see Alex coming. Alex is coming. But no, Dana went that way as well, so they're going to race. Quick hide. Who's there? Dana. She's there.
bartender look at the horse and say, "Hey man, why such a long face?" Okay. Second is, what did the shark say when he ate the clownfish? This tastes a little funny. Okay, thank you. Have a good evening.